my auntie Tai Abrams. In this video, she's going to be talking about why she decided to get Sisterlocks.
Hi everyone, this is Tai Abrams here, and I wanted to talk to you about why I decided to get Sisterlocks. My journey with natural hair is literally well over 10 years by now. When I was in college in 2007, I had some internships on Wall Street and I was struggling with this natural hair. I knew that I wanted to transition to the natural hair lifestyle, but I didn't know what to do with the hair. I also thought that natural hair would have actually prevented me from getting certain opportunities when I was working as an investment banker, and I wasn't too far off from the truth. But I ultimately decided not to go into investment banking. So here I was, a consultant right out of college, and I still was having some reservations about wearing my hair natural. So I had a lot of wigs on, a lot of two-strand twists, I did a lot of updos, and quite honestly, I just wasn't wearing my hair out. So I hadn't figured out the right solution. I was literally on YouTube looking for ideas and tips, trying to figure out what products to use every single week, and it was a constant routine. Quite honestly, every weekend it would take me about 4 hours to do my hair, between the pre-conditioning and the shampooing and the detangling and then taking my hair out. I had to always wash my hair in sections, and then I had to twist it up and do my updos, and still I was not in a position to wear my hair out. You see, I have 4C hair, which means my hair is very coily, it's very kinky, it gets tangled very easily, and so I was not in a position to wear an afro or wear it out for very long. So anyway, fast forward, I'm hanging out with my girls and I look over and I'm just like, what is in this girl's hair? It was my good friend Latoya. She is all over social media, and her hair just looks so beautiful. So I asked her, I'm like, what is that? Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. Is it fake? Is it real? Please tell me. And she's like, it's Sisterlocks. And I was hooked. I had to figure out everything I could about this idea, this concept, this beautiful look called Sisterlocks. So I started researching, and I was looking to find the cost. I was looking to understand the maintenance. I was looking to see, will I be able to achieve true hair freedom? And fast forward, on June 4th, 2013, I actually went to Latoya to install my locks. And it was so beautiful. It was life-changing. I cut my hair down all the way to 2 to 3 inches, really because I just wanted to start over. I wanted to start over new, and quite honestly, I did not want to pay over $1,000 for these locks. So I figured, let me just start from the very beginning and give my hair a new opportunity, a new journey, and I'm just gonna take this journey with my hair. Why not? So this was me in 2013, literally with very short hair, very short, cute, fine Sisterlocks, and I was ready to watch them grow, okay? And so fast forward, here we are. I'm about to be 7 years with Sisterlocks. I'm so excited, and I am just so elated because I got my time back. You know that saying, reclaiming my time, reclaiming my time. I have reclaimed all of my time and so much more. For me, my maintenance process is literally washing my hair probably once a week, sometimes even every 2 weeks if things get really busy. I'm just using shampoo, conditioner, a leave-in, and then I braid it up. So even the look that you see right here, I just had it in braids for the last day or two. And so while I had those braids in, I could move around, run errands, do what I need to do, and as soon as I'm ready for my speaking engagements, I just take them out. So even today, for instance, I actually had to do 2 speaking engagements virtually, and my hair was ready to go. So I just feel like with Sisterlocks, even on my worst day, I already look ready, I already look polished, I look professional and elegant, and it works for any and all occasions that I need to be prepared for. I have a very busy lifestyle. I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an author, I am a speaker. And so I'm just not in a position to be spending time on hair. And to even go to the salon, I just don't have that kind of time. So I really wanted a hairstyle that would give me the flexibility to be able to get up and go, be fly, be cute, you know, and most importantly, like for me, like for my hair journey, I wanted length. Hello. So if you guys can see my hair right now, like this is after pretty much about 7 years. I'm gonna be 7 years in June of this year, 2020, and my hair is doing pretty good. I'm going to see if I can show you guys in the back how long it is. It's literally almost waist length hair. Like, what? Let me see if I can show you guys. Can you see this? My hair is straight. My head is straight, rather. And yeah, this is my hair after almost 7 years. I hope you guys can like see that. So I'm excited. It's not even heavy. Like, I always thought that locks would be heavy. It would weigh down my neck, my hair. I really thought like all of these myths about locks is just not true. As you can tell with the Sisterlocks, they're so small. Sometimes I used to wear 2-strand twists so much that quite honestly, I fell in love with the look. So I wanted something that was really tiny and gave me that same feel of 2-strand twists. And now I have Sisterlocks. So see if you can see, you know, what that looks like. That is a braid out. That's it. So there's just so much that you can do with Sisterlocks, and I'm so grateful for my journey. I'm so grateful to be at a place where I can very easily just get up and go, do what I need to do, and feel like I'm on top of the world because of my hair. I have long hair, it's flowy, it moves, and I just hope that so many more women, if you do have 4C hair and you know what I went through, right? Like, you can relate, then this is a great solution for you, okay? To reclaim that time, okay? To reclaim your instant beauty, to reclaim your ability to not be scared when it rains outside, to reclaim the ability to swim. Can we be swimmers out here? Like, I love swimming, deep ocean swimming, and I don't want to have to think about my hair. So I go to the beach once a year, and I could just have my hair in that water and not feel like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to spend hours in the bathroom in the mirror trying to fix this. So we are talking about hair freedom. Hello. So I am so happy to say that. So anyway, if you have 4C hair and you think about some Sisterlocks, like, definitely get some Sisterlocks. And then if you're wondering who maintains my hair, so Latoya put the hair in for me, like basically installed the Sisterlocks for me. And then Warisi has maintained my hair for the 7 years, okay? Like, basically you have to go to these retightenings. Every 6 weeks you have to go to get your retightenings, and so you don't want to miss that part because it's really important. You want your hair to look beautiful, right? Like, that's what we all want. So we got to keep up with these appointments. So I make sure to do that for the entire 7 years. I never miss an appointment. I'm really big on that. And so I am just happy to share the story with you guys. If you have any questions on what it has been like to be an entrepreneur, to have Sisterlocks, I've been featured on all kinds of TV stations, and any and all races love my hair, okay? So there's just no limitations. When I say there's so much freedom and you have just the ability to just fully be yourself, this is what I have experienced with these Sisterlocks. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will like this video. You will comment down below any thoughts that you may have about your Sisterlocks journey, or where you are in the process of thinking about Sisterlocks. And then please do not forget to subscribe, because when you do that, I know that you're interested in more of these topics, okay? So talk to you guys soon, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye bye now.